Okay guys, so we're working on the 1969 Opel GT today and probably the other cars, but I don't know if we'll be putting these on the same video or not. But so anyways, it's fall break for me. It's actually Friday. I got Friday through Monday off. So that's pretty awesome. Not at grandparents' house. My grandparents just went to go take care of my aunt's dog, so she's out of town. Anyways, so we wanted to really work on the red car to do the rust so we can get the engine in it in the red 73 GT, but we got distracted by this thing because I wanted to get this fan belt on there because where'd the other belt go? It's up here. Grandpa put it in the barn. Anyways, it was from Napa, and we took it off the one that was originally in this car. We got a new fan belt for it. We got the same size, and it's basically too big for it. And so we wanted to get a different fan belt, and we went to the Opel show, if you guys didn't check out that video, and got us a new fan belt. They just passed them out. And, well, it doesn't fit this car. It fits the yellow car just fine, though. Like, it fits the yellow car literally perfectly. So we took the belt off the yellow car, and it's on here now. And it fits pretty good. It's a little, I mean, it fits basically perfect. It's not on here all the way. I can't get it on the water pump. That's my grandpa's trying to teach you how to do a trick here. To get it under the water pump going like that. So I have to work on that a little bit more. But, so yeah, so that's kind of goofy. But, yeah, so, I don't know, this car is weird. I don't know why it's not working. So, I don't know if the 69s are just different or what. So, it's weird. But, so yeah, so, I guess I'll show you guys my headlights up close more. I haven't really showed it to you guys just at the show. So, there they are. There's Blazer brand. That one's upside down. So, we just ran the wires through there. And then, we ran the ground wires just to some random holes down there. We screwed it in the ground wires, which I think are the black ones. Yeah, the black wire down there, and the other black wires down there too. And the white wires are you know, power. So I put them in this fancy connection here, and then routed them to go through here, and the black wire goes down here, along here, into there, and then it runs into the switch. And then the switch comes out the red wire, it goes directly to the thing, so it's hot wired, so I can turn on the lights now if I really wanted to. And there's the switch, as you guys can see, and it works pretty well. Let's see what happens. As you guys can see, the little difference there. So that's pretty neat. I also, oops, a little way. Yeah, there we go. I also put a new windshield wiper on the side. Not really new. I got it from like parts stash. I found it. I'm pretty sure it was on the yellow car originally. So I got another one up here for it. I have to put the other side on. Yeah, so that's pretty neat. So I'm gonna try to get this belt back on there and probably talk to you guys later. I should probably turn off this light. There's the hot rod. Sad hot rod. But yeah, I'm glad I'm getting to work on this thing again. So anyways, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later and see what we do next, or see if we're working on the red car or what we're doing. Okay guys, so I still can't get the fan belt on. One of my grandpa come and help me when he gets back. But so I got this cold air intake from the Junkyard from local LKQ. That's like 10 miles from my house. So I went there and found this super awesome Canon cold air intake from an F-150. And got it for a smoking deal of $30. Air filter was $3 and the intake tube was like 26 or something like that. So it was a good deal. And this thing's probably worth 100 or so. So I was thinking, I don't know. We might put this on there. Oh, sorry for that, God. But I'm trying to think here how this would work. And I widened that hole up right there. Where this inlet hole is. And I think it would work pretty well. Like something like that. I mean, you put this way down there, attach this to there. Like, I think it would work pretty well, I think. We'll see. To see what my grandpa thinks. I don't think it'd restrict the airflow that bad. I think I could stick this right in there. Have this kind of like that, just like hanging out there. That'd look pretty neat, actually. Look pretty neat. And be a true cold air intake instead of right there, where it's not getting the hottest air. Huh, I have to think about that. Cool. Anyways, let's go take a look at the other cars. So they all are. So what we need to do this thing is rust stuff. Actually, here. Okay, I'm not gonna add any of that. I'm just gonna make a video for this thing. Hey guys, we're gonna do a cold start now on it. Then what? 2 weeks since we started this thing up?
Since you parked it there.
Oh, it's not moving. One pump?
Yeah.
Give us some gas.
Yeah, maybe a little bit. Not too much.
pretty good, guys. Yeah, I know, it's pretty crappy. I think that's screwing stuff up. No. This thing sure does run good. Idling at a 1100 RPM because we haven't drove it yet, so. It's warming up. Okay guys, so we're working on the cold air intake on this thing. So we got the belt on and started up, as you guys heard in the cold start. It's working perfectly, it's not squeaking or anything, so we're good with that. Anyway, so we just took off the cold air intake that was on it and took apart the K&N one and was cleaning it all up and figured it out, and we think we got it. We think it'll work. It'll go down there. It's just that we need to widen up this hole a little bit, as you guys can tell from our Sharpie marks. So we need to make that a little bigger. So Grandpa's getting the angle grinder ready to go. And that should do it there. So hopefully get this official cold air intake on there. 'Cause before it wasn't much of a cold air intake, but yeah. Okay, so just show you guys if we do anything next. Okay guys, so here's the cold air intake, the finished result. I don't know how much of this I showed you guys in the video of making it, but I kind of forgot to show you guys the finished result. So here it all is in its glory. So we kept all this yet from the last cold air intake, and then we added this and plugged up these holes here with some little plugs from that were different sensors and stuff that we don't need. So yeah, it looks really good. We did have to make this hole a lot bigger, scratch the crap out of it a lot, but it fits really good. I didn't take a bracket for it because it's holding itself up in that hole. So it looks really nice. Everything's working on it, looks like. So really happy with the result. And yeah, hopefully we're getting colder in engine now. So yeah, pretty awesome. So yeah, I don't know what next we're doing on this thing, but hopefully headlights eventually someday, so we don't have to use the driving lights. And see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for other videos.